Hello friends of Inaxsys, Fred Bergeron here. In this tutorial today, even though we already covered this, the dual authentication feature so that we can have a master and a provider to unlock a door, like a high security door for instance. Now I want to add another layer to this, which is basically anti-passback and then area user counting, okay? So basically what I want to happen is when both users are validating the access granted to the door, I want the system to count 2 users inside the area as well as enabling or let's say updating the anti-passback status of both users entering the area, okay? So for this, we have to use a special command. We've already showed you a video on how to use commands in the Protege GX and WX platform. So I'm going to show you this very specific command. So right now I have in front of me my GX system, my GX training kit. For demo purposes, I added an exit reader because I want to basically increase and decrease the count of users in the area. Okay, so basically I need this set up online, and then what I did. So basically, like I said before, we have this AN325, so application node 325 from ICT, and what I want to use is the custody pair enforce command. Okay, so I simply copy and paste this command into the door type. Okay, so if we go back in the GX system, first thing I did was to create a door type for anti-passback and dual authentication. All right, so we've already covered this, but basically hard passback for entry and hard passback for exit, and I enabled the dual authentication, and also to simplify presentation, I enabled the option to allow a provider to initiate access. We can badge 2 providers or 1 master and 1 provider and then a door unlock. Okay. Also in the command section, I added the command that I just showed you from the application node. Okay. My door properties will then use this door type, okay, and I have my area inside and outside. Okay, so for anti-passback, you always need an area inside and outside. Okay, so basically to enter the user in the area and then remove him from the area when we exit the system. Okay. What I also did in the reader expander properties, I've set my reader port to disarm the area on access. Okay, and the last section before I can show you the results, in the area you need to put a maximum user count. I've put 5 because I'm only testing with 2 users, but you can put a limit of like 65, 534 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, and under options 1, I enable user counting, and I also enabled the user count, arm the area on user count 0, and also clear user count when armed. So basically, if someone leaves without badging out, you can put a schedule to arm on schedule, and then the system will clear the user count for the next day. Okay, we can also do this for the anti-passback. We could reset on a schedule or reset after a time. Okay, so basically the command is in the door type, and basically the door type is programmed to require 2 cards. So now the area is armed. Let me enter to disarm it. Now it's disarmed. Again, I exit with the same 2 users, and the system is armed. So basically with the command, even though I'm using dual authentication on the door, I need to badge the card twice, and the system is counting 2 users in the area, and also it's updating the anti-passback status of both users at the same time. Okay, without the command, only 1 would have been counted in, and then we have a messed up, let's say, a user count in the area. Okay, so I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button to follow new videos when they're available, and if you need help from support and sales, obviously we can be reached from the Inaxsys.com website. Don't forget that we have, plenty of tutorial videos on ICT and Inaxsys products of our channel. So you can go to the playlist section and you can find by different topics. All right, so this is really helpful. We have hundreds of those videos available for you to learn our systems. Okay, so thanks for watching. Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. See you soon.